you beeping at me, man? Welcome to a POV, little late night action. We are in Mexico. Love Mexico. Great place to be, especially with a car like this. Give me track mode. Let's do it. Oh shit. Oh, I'm tripping. What am I thinking, man? Listen, make sure to buckle up, everybody. Don't be stupid. We'll do a little, I'm not sure how this is gonna sound, but I low-key might have gotten my tints a little bit too dark, and it's a little tough to see at night. All right, what do you got first? Track mode, suspension. Don't fuck this. Oh shit. All right. Track mode, okay on rocks. Apologize if the camera goes a little bit high sometimes. I just have to look, like, I don't know, it's kind of tough to look at the front end sometimes. Like, there's a big fat blind spot right here, so I just have to, you know, hope you understand. Oh my god, that is a hole. Sound like too much shit. We'll do windows down for a little bit, and then we'll do the rest of the drive with the windows up. Sound might be a little fucked, honestly. Yeah, that sounds way better. What am I thinking, man? It kind of sounded like Dookie with the wind. My bad. Steering is so much crazier in track mode. It's stiff as shit. Way more than the tightest sports setting. What am I thinking? Where's the manual mode at? It starts to sound so good past 4. Past 4, you really just hear it right behind you. That shit's so nice. Downshifts aren't as brutal as I want them to be, but an exhaust can fix that up. That was a big ass pothole, dude. Comes a little fun, the most fun we might have. Let's hope this car doesn't. Oh my god. He's taking the exit again. What a weirdo. Oh my god. Thought I was gonna be able to really hit this motherfucker, but fuck it. We can go for a loop again. Go over the infinite loop. What the fuck are these guys doing? Where are they going, bro? These guys are just going in a big ass circle. We just did a U-turn. Like, I'm trying to drive my car. What are they doing? What's going on, bro? And he's braking. No, don't brake. You have the right of way. I fucking hate this shit, man. I swear to God, if yes, get the fuck out of my way, man. Holy tits, it's like a goddamn roller coaster on rails. Oh, it just wants to go faster and faster. Can't see dick. What is this? Wow. Classic Mexico construction, eh, boys? What the fuck is this road, bro? I'm tripping. Oh, cop or regular charger? Let's see. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. Wait, am I? No, I'm not. Wait. Oh my god, I am going the wrong way. Fuck. I got confused on the little loop-de-loops, bro. Unbelievable. Is a good time, I'll tell you what. Where the fuck is the nearest turnaround? Come on. God damn it. It's actually no place to turn around. It's crazy. Is that the turnaround? Why is it all the way over there? God damn. Real feds? Nah, road construction. Oh my god. That's why I made sure my lights were on, dude. Why are the cops all the way the back there? I feel like they should be in front of that other shit. Why would they not tell you ahead of time that that exit is closed? I wasn't, I slowed down, bro. Someone's gonna run into that bitch. I had like a feeling that something was closed off. Oh, tits. What are you doing, buddy? Is this one lane? If that's a lane I want to be in. No, it's unfortunate. These roads are confusing as shit. Mexico is a piece of ass. What? They just blocked off the highway. There's no highway. I'm gonna make sure I'm not fucking running into anything. There's a cop? Oh, that's so beat, bro. Oh, shit, boys. Well, I mean, I'm gonna tell you how to drive real nice. Well, first of all, we're gonna take it out of track mode. Not even in sport. I want this bitch in comfort. It's Fed Central. Oh my goodness, I thought people were flashing their lights at me. Come on, bro, what the fuck, man? What the fuck is going on here? Oh my goodness gracious. Holy shit, I think he's a couple cars behind me now. That's kind of a dub. That's kind of a dub. Wait. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, wait. Those people are for the people right there. Whoever blocked them off, I salute you. This taco spot right here coming up is elite, bro. Tacos and salsa. Trust. In Mexico, of course. It says the left lane goes straight too, but I honestly don't even trust these fucking signs, so I'm just gonna chill in this lane for a little bit. Can't really see around it either. Alright, let's go into Z mode. Oh, there we go. Uh-huh. We're back, we're back. What is this town doing? Oh my god, did he just switch lanes right behind me? That is fucked. Wow. Well, I think I'm gonna end this POV, guys. I don't want to get too crazy. Yeah. Fuck all that. Alright. Well, I feel like this camera's gonna kind of save me. Well, will it? He'll like ask for the footage. Alright. Mexico cops do in fact care about speeding, guys. Don't get a ticket. Peace. Wait, I should probably keep it recording. What if they actually pull me over? Gotta keep the camera running. Oh my god, he is on my ass. Jesus. He's probably running the plates and shit. Listen, bro, it's brand new, man. It's brand new. Please. Alright, someone just cut him off. No way. Oh, that's so clutch. Oh. Oh my, there's something in the fucking road right there. Get the fuck out, bro. Get out of my way. What the fuck? Oh my god. Bro. Wait. Alright. Am I getting caught right now? What's going on? Wait. Am I tripping? What is going on? bugging right now. There's a new highway going up and everything. This is the trippiest drive I've ever been on. Is that a highway entrance? Bro, should I? Fuck it. Fifth gear is long as fuck. Oh my god. Dude. That's crazy. It's kind of lit though. I feel like I'm on a new highway right now. Goddamn, who built this? Oh. This thing just fucking eats corners, bro. What in the world? What in the world? That is something. Alright, pretty boring drive the rest of the way. It's just a straight line, so it's gonna be the rest. That's gonna be this video. Woo! POV drive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. It's gonna be a different city actually. We're doing Vegas next, then I'm doing Phoenix next, then we'll do some LA, whatever's in between. We'll see. I'll see you guys very soon. Love you. Peace.